Welcome to Florida.
Well, thank you.
In this video, we are winter camping in the Florida Keys, where we stay at Calusa Campground and Marina in Key Largo. We visit and partake in some snorkeling at John Pennekamp State Park. When we finish playing in the beautiful waters of the Keys, we cook steaks on the Blackstone for supper. Come along with us while we explore Key Largo.
After we got set up, we went to the Key Largo conch house, had some supper. We had mai stuffed with crab and some kind of Diablo pasta, which was shrimp, scallops, clams, delicious. Of course, Trina had to try what was it you wanted?
The conch fritters.
Conch fritters. What was your opinion on those?
I got my hopes up, and then they kind of got.
They were good.
They were
good.
okay.
They were high dollar, expensive hush puppies. Snorkel boat trips canceled today. Glass bottom boat trips canceled today. You come back tomorrow and do a glass bottom. Or snorkel. Taking too long. How's your little Grom doing in the Keys, baby?
Good. So we just came through a little rainstorm. Everybody's got the hibernation fever.
We're headed in the Aquarium and Visitor Center at John Pennekamp State Park. Trina?
Yeah.
What's the deal?
It's raining.
Where are we at?
You're at John Pennekamp State Park in Key Largo, Florida.
That's our look, isn't it?
Well, it's just raining today. It's actually supposed to be gone by now.
Well, it's not. You can tell the water probably is beautiful when the sun's shining.
Justin booked us a glass bottom boat tour and a snorkeling tour.
2 separate tours,
Yes.
pretty much all day.
Yes. To the clear blue water. I'm excited. Too excited.
Yeah, if it'll stop raining, I'll be really excited.
Yeah, the rain's fixing to blow away. Like, rain's fixing to clear out of here. Sea garden.
So we're going snorkeling this morning on a boat called Sea Garden.
Yep.
You excited?
Yeah.
How's that wetsuit treating you?
Oh, like a girdle. Like a girdle that's 2 sizes too small girdle.
Oh. I've worn wetsuits before, but I feel like I'm about to pass out.
Definitely a Key Largo sunset while we're cooking some steaks on the griddle. Hannah's cooking some french fries. Salad to go with the steaks. She's gonna watch the steaks for a minute. I got to go catch this sunset. Apparently that's what everybody's trying to do.
What are you doing? Oh, you're getting up there. I thought you were like bringing a steak to
No.
It smells so good.
I will. I'll go get you some. I was trying to catch that sunset. It is.
How bad the weather was today.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous?
You checked those steaks lately?
Huh?
Have you checked those steaks lately?
You see I'm cooking steak.
Yeah. For 2 seconds.
Nice crust. Look at that good golden crust. Not bad for a griddle. I mean a griddle.
For a what?
A griddle.
A griddle. Alright, here, you take the camera and let me check them, see what it look like.
What's going on? You taking over?
Yep.
Did you get the sunset?
Yeah, there's a crowd of people over there. So we had some neighbors walk by a while ago and told me it smelled good. And then I took the GoPro over to try to catch the sunset.
How you doing?
And
I thought your dog was coming out. I thought when the gate opened, your dog had let the gate open.
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Okay. You said what?
so had some neighbors walk by and tell me how good the steak smelled. And then apparently they walked that way, so I went over to get a picture of the sunset. And when I walked over there, I had the GoPro in my hand, and he thought I was bringing him some steak on a fork.
Aww.
I told him I'd come back and get him some,
Aww.
but I did get the sunset. It is still beautiful.
Mm-hmm. The steaks look beautiful too.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna check them out
Yeah.
right here.
Let's do this now.
You know it's a special occasion when Trina breaks out the cups. The plastic cups.
What is the special occasion?
I don't know, you tell me what the special occasion is. You don't broke out the cups.
It just seems like drinks better when it's in a cup with ice.
Oh, is that the case?
Yeah.
Okay.
A special occasion. You can probably set that GoPro up.
I think the sun has set. It's setting right now.
You can see it right there. There a little bit.
Through the windows? I got a palm tree right in the way. And a motorhome.
It's pretty on that water, doesn't it?
Yep.
Check out our other Florida Keys video where we visit Bahia Honda State Park, Curry Hammock State Park, and see the 7 Mile Bridge in the Florida Keys. If you're interested in any of our gear, check out our affiliate links attached to the description of our videos. Thanks for watching.